Hi everyone, this is an aerial video of Santorini, a tourist paradise in the heart of the Aegean Sea. Midway through the video, we also take a stroll through its charming allays and hidden corners. Around 3,600 years ago, Santorini witnessed a massive volcanic eruption that reshaped much of the island. Later, the Greeks built their iconic villages on top of the remnants. Aside from the island's signature whitewashed houses, the blue-domed churches perched on a steep cliff are truly a sight to behold. Due to its humid and hot weather, Santorini isn't an ideal place for permanent living, but absolutely perfect for a gateway. Stick around and enjoy these breathtaking views. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content from amazing places around the world.